Amazon dropshipping tutorial, dropshipping on Amazon for beginners. So first you need to visit the website amazon.com and you need to create or sign up for a new account. So to sign up, you just need to provide your email and then you verify your email. Once you're done, then you can log into your Amazon account. So this is my Amazon account. This is the main dashboard, and over here you can see all the products here inside Amazon. And everyone knows Amazon, and you have hundred thousands of customers here, so it means there is a high possibility that the product that you will be listing here will be sold and you will be earning profit from here. So if you are not familiar with dropshipping, so let me go ahead and discuss to you the dropshipping method. But before you can start your dropshipping, the first thing that you need to do is to look for a product that you want to sell. So you need to do product research, and after the product research you need to look for a supplier. So once you have the product to sell, so this is now the drop shipping model. So once you have your product listed inside the Amazon, then you will be getting a customer that will buy your product that you added inside the Amazon, and your customer will place order from Amazon and pays you the retail price that you set inside the Amazon store. For example, you price your product for $200 inside the Amazon, that is your store, and then you forward your order to your supplier. And you just pay your supplier for $150 for that product. And with that, you will ask your supplier to directly ship the product to your customer's address. So with that, once your customer receives the order, you will be getting the $50 profit. This is the difference between the retail price that you set inside the Amazon and the price that you pay from your supplier, which is only $150. So that's how the dropshipping model works here. So again, the first thing that you need to do to start your dropshipping business is to do your product research. So you can go to Google and look for the product that you want to sell. And you need to make sure that this product that you will be adding to Amazon are popular product, or this is the product that everyone is looking for this month or for this season. For example, for the month of November and December, the product that sold the most are Christmas decor products. So on that season, November to December, you need to sell Christmas decor products for you to get a lot of profit. So you just need to search here in Google if what are the Christmas decor product that you can sell. And once you have the product, then you just need to look for a supplier. So your supplier can be Alibaba. So these are the known suppliers online. This Chinese multinational technology company, the Alibaba. And you can also, let me go to Google again and search for AliExpress. AliExpress is also known as online retail service based in China, and it's also owned by Alibaba Group. But there are some products that are cheaper inside AliExpress compared to Alibaba, and also there are some products that is more cheaper in Alibaba than AliExpress. So you just need to look for these two suppliers here for your product that you want to sell inside the Amazon. So you just need to look for a supplier that can ship the product directly to your customers online. And there's a lot of supplier here online that you can contact and use for the product that you want to sell inside the Amazon. So once you have your product and you have your supplier, then you just need to go to Amazon again, and over here you have this option which is the sell. So just click here for you to apply. So here, become an Amazon seller. So more than half the units sold in our stores are from independent sellers. So you can be one of the independent sellers. So you just need to sign up here for you to start. So here you have your information here. Here's what you expect if you will become a seller here inside the Amazon. And these are the things that you need for you to set up or to apply as their seller. So you need to provide a valid government issued ID or passport, and then your recent bank account or credit card statement, your chargeable credit card, and your mobile phone. So here you just need to provide your information and document, and then they will verify your submission. And once you get verified, you can now start selling. So you can just hit this one here, begin to start your application. So once you're verified as seller, you can now start adding your product. And to add a product, you need to make sure that you have a high quality product image to add here inside the Amazon for you to attract your customers. If the photo from online is not clear, then you can just direct message your supplier and ask for a clear or high quality image of their product for you to display or add here inside the Amazon. And also another tip for you to get more sales inside the Amazon is the use of the keyword. So you need to make sure that you will be using keywords in your product description or in your product title. These keywords are the product name that most of the people here or buyer inside the Amazon search here in this search box. So for example, for the Christmas decor, let me just go ahead and search for Christmas. So as you can see here, these are the keywords: Christmas light, Christmas decoration, Christmas tree, Christmas decor, Christmas tree storage bag, and more. You can also find more keywords here inside the Pinterest. So Pinterest is a good software to use for you to find the right keywords that you need to use in your product title or in your product description, because most of the information here inside the Pinterest are keywords or word that most of your target customers are using when they search for product online. So for example, I will be clicking here the Christmas lights. So as you can see here, they also have keyword here for holiday decoration, Christmas tree lights, holiday party, and wedding party or lights. So once you have the order, you just need to create your order list, and then you will send this order list to your supplier, and you will ask your supplier to directly ship these products to your customer's address and with their customer's name. So that's how drop shipping works. So there's no need for you to get a storage place to store all your product, and there's no need for you to purchase the product from supplier and send it to your customer. You will be like a middleman between your supplier and your customer. So I guess that's all for today's video, and thank you so much for watching.